So today we at the mall Millenia. We're gonna do a sneaker vlog. However, we're gonna do it at a different angle. Today we're vlogging with the Insta360 Ultra. This little small compact camera. I'm gonna show you guys some B-roll of it. That's what we're gonna be using today to vlog. We're gonna see what it looks like, and hopefully you guys are entertained at the same time, man. So let's make it. JD Sports is up next. So right now you better head into JD Sports. This is going to be a different style vlog. Keep in mind, tax-free holiday shopping ends the 31st of August if you're in the state of Florida. Hey, what's up? How you doing, bro? And they also got a reduced rack. We're going to comb through some shoes that's in a reduced rack and see if we can find some savings, because right now I do see. What's up? How you doing, bro? We'll do. All right, we got the Dion predominantly all red, $130. Not bad. They also got some Jordans as well. This is going for 90. Damn, they got a slew of J's. This one is 80. This one is 85. Not too long ago, I just came from the Nike outlet and we found a UNC pair for a dirt cheap price. Unbelievable sales. If you guys haven't followed me, you need to follow my main channel, Ball on the Budget. And we also found some comfy walkers, the 2002s for 100 beans. I do get my pairs cheaper. Actually, the last 2002 I bought from JD Sports was literally half that price. So the Air Max 90s camo joints, $140. And the other side looks like it might be just women. It is just women. I see Pumas. We really don't talk about Puma on this channel, but they also got them here for $75.
I don't even know who sings it.
Let's take a peek on what's on shelves. We're gonna start with the Air Max because you can't go wrong with Air Maxes. However, this is different. This is 130. These are the shocks. I like the colorway. Oh man, thank you, bro. I'm leaving my drinks behind and whatnot. Guys, we're giving you guys a different vantage point today. It's completely different. This is a $170. Retail was $190. And the Air Jordan 3 red Airs hitting for $190. They only took $20 off of it, but it is reduced. And right above it is the Pure Money 3s, and I'm assuming this is retail $205 for this pair. I actually would get this pair, but it has to be roughly around $100. Yep. They also have French glue sitting on shelves as well. $205, I believe, yes, which is weird. $205. How much was this Pure Money pair? The Pure Money was also $205. That's crazy. But the craziest things are these. The Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Still hitting for $185. They're not on sale yet, but pairs can be found in the outlet. Why? I know. I saw two pairs at two different stores, which is crazy to me. I bought these day one. And here's another pair that no one ever talks about, which are these. I forgot what they call. They're also $185. Over a period of time, the midfoot would wear off and expose a different color on the shoe. You already could tell. You can see the piping on the swoosh is blue, and the piping around the stitching, that's pink or infrared. Who knows? $135 for these, but you can get them at the outlet for a lot cheaper. We found them for $109 as of recent. And speaking of recent, for $160, this is crazy. They could be better. Now, to be fair, I have found this pair for about $100 in the Nike clearance store. I passed. I feel I can find it a little bit cheaper, so I'm gonna definitely circle back and get this pair. And lastly, we got the Air Jordan 8s Aquas, clean shoe. $215, not like the other Jordans. And starting to see the pattern. It looks like retro Jordans, shoes that Michael played in, like these Aquas, is going for $215, but pairs like this is going for $205. Because you never played in the Pure Moneys. Hopefully my theory holds up. I have to see more pairs and compare pricing, but it seems like the pairs that's $205 is shoes that never came out back in the 90s, and shoes that did come out in the 90s. I'm sorry, and the shoes that did come out in the 90s that he played in is going for a little bit more money, like $10 more. Aqua's still in the building. So we got the Shattered Backboards still in the building, the Aqua still in the building, the Pure Moneys, and these joints. We got the Miz, bro, and it is crazy. Look how many pairs of Miz there are. Look at the amount of Miz. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 per row, and there's 4 rows. Insane. Come over what's actually on sale for the Miz. $120 for these. Damn, they almost tried it. Shattered Backboards for $110. Yo, they tried it, man. But there's a few Air Jordan 1 lows I haven't seen before. For example, these patent leathers, they're $130. Now, will you guys rock this? Patent leather breads? Maybe not really. This is a glossy red, but it's different. I'm mad at it. $130. Actually, to be fair, they remind me of the patent leather Jordan 1 highs that came out around Christmas time like 2 years ago. The same colorway, that obviously the leather completely different.
Red, so.
Huh?
That was red.
Yeah. So I guess you can call these reds. And these remind me of the biohacks. There you go. Thank you, bro. I got my assistant with me, so he's correcting me as we go. Biohacks, New Love Ones. Speaking of New Love Ones, a supporter corrected me, or he provided me some information. He told me this pair was supposed to be a mid, but they came back out in a low. So back in 2009, I believe, the Finding Moment pack, when they came out with a pack with the Air Jordan 1 New Love, they also came out with one with the black toe. They both were mids. They're retro these. They're retro the other colorway, but in a low. And look at the outsole. Look like Kool-Aid. So I got my hands on the Nike Pegasus Premiums. They're different. They do have a pillar zoom unit, similar to what you find in LeBron. The 9s, I can't remember. Maybe the 7 through 8s. One of them shoes, you actually see the visible air unit on both the medial and lateral side, and you can see the pillars that's actually in the shoe as well. You guys like Jordans, you're gonna like Dunks. They do got the Pandas, the Pandemic Dunks is what I'm calling them, for $215. They also got it in the candy cane colorway, 120. This one is going for 80 because it's currently on sale. This is actually different. I ain't mad at it. 90 beans for this. Do we have any New Balance fans in the building? I definitely like the New Balance, the material they use, the colors they be having is dope. But this 9060, we're not friends, bro. Dope colorways, great material, but this ain't it. I haven't seen that colorway before, and I definitely haven't seen this colorway either. They're going for $150. It's different. And I noticed the 990s, Balance used the inspiration from the 990 colorway of the all gray pair, and they put it on this 9060. This all gray?
They do a great on everything.
I never seen the other gray, like, this is the first time I'm seeing it. So they also carry Sauconys, and they're hitting for $150. I love this colorway. I heard Sauconys are super comfortable too. And they got different colorways, such as the UCF colorways. If you're from Orlando, you know what I mean by UCF colorways. It's the color of our college, our university rather. And I like this black pair. These are actually clean. $155. So we're in the basketball section. We got the Hirachis in the building. I heard people's going crazy for this shoe. They're $170. So it looks like these are those pairs. They're the Nike Air Trainer Cool Blue. But I'm not sure when they came out. I did see them on sneakers a few weeks back. This is my first time seeing them in hand. I know people went crazy for them. I saw a few of my pairs pick them up. This is one of my first pair of Nikes as well. The Hirachis, actually rocked them casually. Then I ended up playing ball in them when they got older, but I've never seen this colorway. This is actually clean, man. $170 though. We also got the Air Max Up Tempos, $150. And they got some other colorways I have never seen before, which is crazy. $140 for this pair as well. Seems like all of them are on sale. Then we got some Barclays at the very bottom. The Phoenix Sun colorway, $160 is the price. $34 in the back heel. Well, rather Nike on the back heel. $34 on the side, the lateral side. And look what we found. Still in the basketball section. We do got the Ja 3s for $125. I did give you guys an early look of the new Jaws that's coming out. I forgot what they call. Oh, the Hustle and Flows, I believe. They have different mixed match shoes. This one's not bad. I actually like the silhouette of the Jaws. And if you notice with the Jaws, what's unique is the swoosh is vertical. On the lateral side is the original size swoosh. That's on pretty much every pair, both the left and right. That's what makes this shoe a little bit unique, and they keep the price point reasonable too as well. $125 for a pair of Jaws. How much for the Ja 2s? $135. Good lord. Then you got the KD as well. $115, man. So 20% off the lowest ticket price. So are they giving us 20% off of $115? That'd be crazy. That'd be under $100 plus no sales tax. For Labor Day, you're good. And they got a few pairs as well. They also got this one for 20% off for $125. After discount, that would be under $100 as well. Then you got the Liquid Flow. $170 is the price though, unfortunately. Still guapi. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I also have a TikTok account. I have posted these pairs for a whole lot cheaper, like 4 times cheaper. I'll leave the TikTok handle on the bottom lower third. It's crazy that JD Sports had the Shattered Backboards. You gotta go to Foot Locker. Now I'm expecting the exact same thing. You think the Shattered Backboards gonna be widely available? And look at it, man. They dressed these mannequin down with the Shattered Backboard colorway. Even down to the lows. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing the feet. I'll have to get down. But look what they got on feet. Anyways, let's go inside, see what's popping. So right now we're in Foot Locker. Look at some Air Jordan 1 lows. These are women hitting for $100. A lot of this stuff is tax exempt. Never seen this colorway of the 2 1/3s, $119. Look at this. Do I look stupid? You can say it. I don't care. This is here for $99 tax exempt. It's different. What should I look like? Let's go to adults pairs. The Aqua Ace. These are all kids. I've never seen this ever. Yeah, these are kids. GF with a checker print on the tongue. These mids is $99, y'all. This is gonna be retail. I'm looking at the wall, what it looks like. And from the ceiling on down, these are all Air Jordan 1s, especially on the very top. We got the Red Airs, we got the most recent release. I think these are called Inspirations. I'll be forgetting, guys. They're $185. And yes, they got the Shattered Backboards. I can't call them the 2.0s, we're just gonna call them the Shattered Backboard Retros. 10 years in the making, guys. Let me know if you cop a pair. There's still pairs available, even in the luxury mall Millenia. Red Air 3s on the very top, and the Mellow. And over here we got the DMs as well. Well, that's all she wrote, man. We can go over to the basketball section and see what's popping over there. So this is the basketball section in the House of Hoops. On the very top, we have the foam posits, the cough drops. Well, the price $240 for this pair. Then we got the black neons. I believe this is going to be $240 as well. I want to say this is already on sale at another location. I'm not sure which one, but it's definitely $240 here. Let me know if you guys would pay that much for a foam posit. And is foam posits dead? Is anyone buying them? And this Psychic Blue foam posit I have found in the outlet, $200, I believe. I can't remember the price, but if you guys want to, pull up to Ball on the Budget and watch that video. We got the Deion Sanders, we got the Bo Jacksons, we got the KD 18s, and this pair, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I got it for like 4 times less of $140. More basketball shoes over here. We got the LeBrons, we got the Jaws. Are these the Kool-Aids? Yes, these are the Ja Kool-Aids. $135 is the price though. We got the Dunks and the Pandemic Dunks. $69, that's kind of dope. That's the cheapest I have found it. $69 for the Pandemic Dunks, not bad. The cheapest I found is $95, and that's in the Nike factory store. Some Air Forces, snakeskin Air Forces, and the dude got the Jaws in the building. Ja 3s, not sure what they actually are called, but they're here for $125. We showed these earlier, not bad. If you guys must know, they got the book ones, the denim colorway. What's the price for these? $145 still? Nah, chill.
This vlog was shot entirely on the brand new Insta360 Ultra, mounted right onto my chest for a different point of view. Big salute to the homie Marcus for hooking me up with this camera, helped me run the viewfinder so I could stay in frame throughout the whole entire video. It wasn't easy. However, it was our first time testing it out together. We shot this one at the Mall of Millenia. We hit up JD Sports and the House of Hoop. Got a good solid vlog out of it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this new style and this new vantage point, and more videos to come. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my TikTok. I'll be dropping tons of videos over there. All right, I'll see y'all in the next building. Salute.